All right, so today we're going to install this grill badge from TacoVinyl. TacoVinyl makes these cool grill badges in different colors. They also make stickers, vinyl decals, all kind of based around the the old Ivan Stewart color scheme. So we're going to go ahead and get this one on the grill. And I've kind of already picked out where it's going to go. I've seen people put them up top and down below, and I think I'm going to go right about there. So pretty simple, just a couple of 5/16 lock nuts. So we're going to pull this top shield off to get access to it, and it should only take a few minutes. Okay, so for starters, we're going to pop all these out. Remember in a previous short video I showed how to get these out really simple with this tool, which I'll link the video and where to get this tool on Amazon in the descriptions, but it's pretty simple. Push them in and pop them out. Get that plastic shield off. He's got pretty much full access down there, and I can reach all the way down to where I need to reach to, so it's not a big deal to get that installed from here. Again, it's gonna go down in here and just screw it from the back, so we'll get started on that. So one tip that'll make this easier, if you got a standard socket, it's not gonna be deep enough. So if you got a 5/16 deep socket, you can see it's going to reach to make life a lot easier. And instead of a wrench, this little gimbal, I know a couple companies make them, but this one's from Husky, Home Depot, should make life easy. You can get in there and just turn it like that. So we'll get her in there. Okay, that's all there is to it. Just snugged them up. It doesn't have to be cranked down because it's just plastic on plastic, and the lock nuts are nice. It makes it so it's not going to back off. So we'll run it there for a little bit and see how we like it. I think that's going to be the spot, but if I want to move it, it's pretty easy to move. So get everything buttoned back up, get the plastic top shield back on, and call this a quick, I don't know, 15-minute project.